What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, as you can see, here I am once again at Dairy Barn for a December update. As you can see, there are a lot of PVC pipes in the background. Not as many as there were in the middle the last time I checked, but they are starting to build the surrounding edges for support. I mean, I'm not sure like what entirely goes into a building because I'm not a constructor, but you know, it is cool to observe, and it'll be exciting when this gets 100% done. But you know, I got to give them props for working in the winter like this, because it gets pretty cold and people don't want to do stuff when it's cold. It's kind of like how I'm videotaping this video from my car because I don't want to get out in the cold. It is 41 degrees, but there is a bit of a wind chill and it's raining. So, yeah, videoing this from inside my car. It's looking like it's coming together nicely. Alright, so that's it for this Dairy Barn update. Also wanted to show you this. So this road was blocked off for many months. Right here we have a new apartment building or apartment complex in downtown Oswego. Got a truck in the middle of the road for whatever reason. But yeah, this was blocked off, so the parking lot for this playground was inaccessible for some time. I'll just pop it into neutral. So yep, it's looking nicely paved. Just gonna drive slow past this crane here. Alright, gotta shift the gear with my left hand because I'm videotaping with my right. Well, that's pretty much it for this video.